The Zero Childhood Cancer program is directed only towards the children who are at serious risk of dying from their disease. The Medical Research Future Fund have supported specifically through the Australian Brain Cancer Mission so that ultimately we can achieve our goal of zero children dying of cancer. The Zero Childhood Cancer program is at the absolute forefront of child cancer precision medicine programs internationally. It's one of the most comprehensive personalised medicine programs worldwide because it combines extremely comprehensive molecular profiling with the responses of the child's tumour cells that are being grown in the laboratory and actually tested empirically for their response to anti-cancer drugs. Their tumour cells will be flown here to Children's Cancer Institute. We will extract the genetic material from those tumour cells, and in collaboration with our partners, that data, the whole genetic sequence of both the tumour and, for comparison, the normal DNA of that child's cells will be sequenced within 2 weeks. And we have been able to turn around that data and give answers back in real time to children who would otherwise have died of their disease. And it has fundamentally changed their life. The funding from the Medical Research Future Fund has allowed us to address 3 major challenges in the area of treating these most resistant childhood cancer brain tumours. The first is to have sufficient funding to actually roll out this program nationally and ensure that every child in the country with high-risk brain tumours has access to this precision medicine platform. The second challenge is having access to the clinical trials of the latest treatments, and a significant proportion of this funding is focused specifically on more, newer, innovative clinical trials for children with brain tumours. And the third focus of the MRFF funding is to develop new immunotherapies for children with cancer, to find new ways of treating these children who have such limited opportunities for cure. So this is genuine translational bench to bedside research, and then back again, where the responses that we see in the clinic then inform the next experiments in the laboratory. And this is the sort of funding that the MRFF was committed to supporting. These are the ways that we will take on this challenge and beat it. We've seen the results of research, the impact of improvements in survival rate from 0 to 80% for kids with cancer. That's hundreds of thousands of children who are alive today who would not have been without medical research. That is the power of what we do.